Hey everybody, welcome back to the 1194 video. Well, I have my Audi R8 in here in the shop today, and what I'm going to be doing to it, I'm going to be taking these original Gen 1 style taillights out, and we're going to be replacing these Gen 1 lights with the Generation 2 Audi R8 lights. I have the 2020 Audi R8 taillights that I'm going to be putting into this car. Now that conversion kit was all made possible thanks to exotticvette down in Florida. So if you want to, go to the exotticvette website and check him out. He does many conversions for Corvettes, putting the new model style front and rear bumpers and taillights in your older style Corvette. And he also has the spoiler for this car and the taillight kit, which comes with, if you purchased taillights, wiring harness so that it fits your original Gen 1, and a spoiler that goes on the back of the car, which makes it stick out further. It makes your car look just like a Gen 2 Audi R8 from behind. So that's what we're going to be working on. And you'll be seeing those parts as we get them put on the car. So, but right now, I'm going to worry about getting this center plate removed and getting the taillights removed so that we can start getting that taillight conversion put in and that rear spoiler put on, and then finishing it up, put some paint on that spoiler. So let's go ahead and dive right in. First thing I'm going to do is remove this pop-up spoiler, which takes a 10mm wrench. Okay, there are two license plate lights back here. You'll have to take those out with a Phillips, and there's a Torx bit as well. They'll have to come out to that, and then this right here should come right off. So I've taken those out now, and you can see it'll slide right off. And I can pull my wiring harness loose for those license plate lights. And then you have the backup camera, 2 screws as well. Now on this back bumper, there were the 2 bolts right here. There was 2 bolts up under the fender. There were 2 through the vents. There was a bunch on the bottom, so there was a whole lot getting that off. But this is the Generation 2 Audi R8 taillight. They look a whole lot better than this standard Gen 1 light. Now the exotticvette kit, you can get that kit, which comes with these brand new. Comes with the wire harness and the spoiler. Now you'll see that I have tape on my recorder. I'm actually going to modify his spoiler. I'm going to be putting some fiberglass on this, sitting the spoiler into place and letting it harden, and then taking it back off and cleaning it up because I want that to sit right flush with this. And I'm also going to be adding a stud in the spoiler and drilling a hole in the quarter to help hold it to the quarter panel real nice and tight. And this, and here's the taillight. I'm just going to sit it kind of into place. And you can see this is going to be real nice in the car. I've still got to trim the brackets off of this light so that it fits into this car. And then the spoiler kit comes out and covers up all this right here. This right here, this is your rear spoiler kit that you will be getting in the mail if you order that kit through him. Now this kit right here, this is a rough kit. You're not going to be getting this. You'll be getting one that's finished and ready for you to put some paint on. I asked him to send me one that's just a rough kit because I wanted to be able to modify this in different ways than what he actually has already here. But you can see, I'll just sit this into place on the car. It's basically sitting in the car just like this. And of course you'll have your tail light, which will go up inside that. But I'm going to be trimming this and cleaning it up and be shaving some off the top because I'm going to make this rear spoiler a little bit different than what he has. It's the only reason I have the rough end kit like this. You'll be getting a nice kit from him, which will come with 2 tail lights, the spoiler, and the harness to adapt your Gen 1 to Gen 2 lights. You'll never have to worry about his kit with the light harness causing the light on the dash saying you have a tail light issue. His kit's plug and play. It goes right on the car and it looks excellent when it's on there. I like the Audi R8 Gen 1, but I love the rear end of a Gen 2. So I'm going to get the best of both worlds with what I want. So I'm going to have the Gen 1 R8 and I'm going to have this Gen 2 style rear end, and it's going to look just like a Gen 2 from behind. But follow along. We're going to be doing this right here on the Audi R8, doing some more things as well. Getting this project right here kind of up to date for 2022. Coming along pretty soon, so hopefully I can have everything I want done to the car before 2022. But that's going to be it. I'm thinking about changing the color to maybe a Tiffany blue. We're just going to have to kind of wait and see. But that's going to be it.